Hello and welcome everyone, my name's Dan and welcome to the Average Drifter channel. If you watched my previous video, thanks for watching and welcome back. Plan of attack for today is to do a stock take on what I have and don't have for this car. There's a lot of parts really laying around my garage that I haven't fitted already. I also need to find out some of the things that I need to buy for this car as well, so some of the expenses. But really one of the first things that I have to do for this is clean up this garage and get rid of all this junk so I can actually move around the car, access it. Gotta move the old drift trike and the cat box, all those sorts of things. So that's gonna be the first task for today. So without further ado, let's get started. All right, see you later, fish stuff. Alrighty, we're looking pretty good. Got most of the big stuff cleared from the sides, which is great. Just the amount of dust and cobwebs protecting my drift car is insane. A lot of dust, mess to clean. So that's gonna be the next thing. I'm gonna get the old vacuum out, tidy that up. So many memories. King, that's me. CDA 6, last drift event I was at. Some of you might remember that one, Rising Sunday, good event. Old school Auto Life logo. Got some of my other CDA stickers here. Yee yee. Alrighty, enough of this. Let's jangles. Alright, let's clean this this garage up. Let's do this. That looks better, doesn't it? Wow, I have not seen it this clean in a long time. Probably 8 years now, but wow, that is good. That feels good. Oh, wow, camera is dusty. Wow, I know there's still a lot to go, but man, that is looking pretty clean now. Oh yeah, bit of shine. No more dust on the floor. Look at my Dadmobile. Dad's spec, Mitsubishi Magna, station wagon. Very nice. Anyway, this nice, all nice and clean now. So good. My spare diff down there, already welded, ready to go. Might need to check that out. But hoo-wee, I can actually walk around this thing now. And look. No more dust on my sticker as well, still a bit. And I can see inside. Woo! Inside! Oh, so I'm pretty happy with those results. Came up pretty good. A couple of rust spots I'm probably going to need to look at, but that's understandable. Again, it hasn't moved in 8 years and unfortunately has gotten a little bit wet somehow. But anyway, let's take a look at the motor. It's been the first time that I've opened up this bonnet in a long time, so hopefully the engine's still there, but hopefully no big surprises. Oh man, the smell in there. That 80s spec car smell. Hey, what the? Hold on, wait a minute. There we go. Here it is. A very dusty 4A GE 20 valve silver top with those headers turned upside down, the stock ones. No exhaust manifold on. I've actually got one of them. Oh my god, wind noise. Sorry about that. We're gonna need some new air filters for sure. That one's actually, oh, hello. See a bit of a spring in there. But yeah, we're gonna need some more of them. Not sure what they're off originally, but you can kind of, I can feel new filters on there. Probably need to check that guy out the back. Obviously a new oil filter. This has probably seen better days. Might need to replace that. See what's in here. Hello. Yeah, cool, useful. Anyway, we'll check that out later. I'm going to need to drain it anyway. Surprised to actually see it has a battery in it, which is good. I really doubt that battery works, but we'll test that out and figure that out later. Hopefully no fires or anything. I'll keep my fire extinguisher handy. But all right, let's see if I can get in this thing. It's been a long time since I've sat in the driver's seat. Let's check it out. Oh my god. Oh, ow. Oh. Let's get this around. Oh wow. A little tighter than I remember it being. I've got a couple of dad kilos on the old hips. But oh my god. Hold on. 2 ticks. Let me turn this camera around. Oh, that's better. I can actually see what I'm filming now. So, what have we got in here? You can see we've actually got my front struts and new brake discs and pads that I never fitted. I've got my exhaust manifold there, hence that's why it's missing off the engine. Fire extinguisher down here that I'm pretty sure is done, but hey, maybe we'll give that a test a little bit later. There you can see it. Boop. Yeah, so there are some of the various bits I've got to fit, but for the most part, this is the office. Whew. Got my roll cage in here, Recaro seat, my dash. I forget what the buttons do. One of them's fans, one of them is the fuel pump, and I've got my starter button right there. It's good to be back in here. A lot of memories. Feels good. Can't wait to be in here when I start this thing up. It's gonna be good. Good times. Yes. I've got to try and figure out how to get out. Yeah, I made it. Without too much difficulty. The key is still in the ignition, which is handy. I was actually wondering where that was, so that's good. Cleanup is nearly done. Time to take stock of what I've got, what I don't got, and go from there, I think. Alrighty, so as you can see, we've got the garage all cleaned up, so it's been a pretty productive day. It's been really great to get back into the car, see it all nice and cleaned up, get back in it again. I can't even remember the last time I sat in it, let alone seeing the engine, all those sorts of things. So yeah, nice productive day. As you can see, I've got the Chicago Bulls cover back on. So yeah, we're gonna call it a day there. I've done my stock take. I know what I need to do now, know some of the bits I need to get for the future, so time to save up some pennies, and we'll see you in the next one. Thanks, bye. Ooh. Time for a couple of lemon squashes, I think.